How to find trending Google searches. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to find trending Google searches, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the browser on my phone, and after that I need to search for trends.google.com. This is the official Google site where you can search for different topics on Google and see the search trend for that specific topic. To see trending Google searches, I need to click on the try-bar symbol in the top left corner and then click where it says trending searches. In here, you're able to see trending topics and you can see both daily and also real-time trending. These trending searches are specifically in your region, but if you want to see other countries' trending searches, then click right here and then filter for the country that you want to see. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.